Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Deep Dive, Tracking Internal Site Search in Google Analytics 4, GA4. Internal site search is a goldmine of information for understanding user behavior on your website. It reveals what users are looking for, and where they're struggling to find information. By tracking these search terms in Google Analytics 4, GA4, you can identify content gaps, see what users are searching for that your website doesn't adequately address. Optimize existing content, understand how users are phrasing their queries and tailor your content to match their language. Improve website navigation, find common search terms that should be prominent in your navigation or quick links. Gauge campaign effectiveness, if you're running a marketing campaign promoting a specific product or service, track searches related to that campaign to see if users are finding it easily. Personalize user experiences, use search data to personalize the user experience by recommending relevant content or products based on their search history. This comprehensive tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up internal site search tracking in GA4, covering 1. Understanding the basics, What is internal site search? Why track internal site search in GA4? Key concepts, events, parameters, URL parameters. 2. Identifying your site search URL parameter, Analyzing your URL structure. Common search parameters. Using your website's search functionality to find the parameter. 3. Implementing search tracking with Google Tag Manager, recommended. Creating a GA4 event tag. Setting up a trigger based on the search parameter. Configuring the event parameters. Testing and debugging. 4. Implementing search tracking directly with tag, alternative. Modifying your website code. Dynamically extracting the search term. Sending the event to GA4. Testing and debugging. 5. Configuring GA4 for search term reporting, registering the search _term parameter as a custom dimension. Creating explorations for analysis. Building reports in the GA4 interface. 6. Advanced considerations, handling multiple search parameters. Cleaning and processing search terms, optional. Best practices for search tracking. Dealing with privacy concerns. Let's begin. 1. Understanding the basics, What is internal site search? Internal site search is the functionality on your website that allows users to enter keywords or phrases into a search box to find relevant content within your site. Why track internal site search in GA4? As mentioned earlier, tracking search terms provides valuable insights into user behavior and needs. Without tracking, you're missing a crucial opportunity to improve your website's effectiveness and user experience. GA4 offers powerful and flexible tools to collect and analyze this data. Key concepts, events, in GA4, everything is an event. A search performed on your website will be tracked as an event. We'll name this event something like search. Parameters, events can have parameters, which are pieces of data that provide additional information about the event. For our search event, we'll use a parameter called search_term to store the actual search query entered by the user. URL parameters, when a user searches on your website, the search term is usually appended to the URL as a parameter. For example, if someone searches for red shoes on your site, the URL might look like https://www.example.com/search, q equals red%20 shoes. Here, q is the URL parameter and red%20 shoes is the search term. We need to identify this URL parameter to extract the search term. 2. Identifying your site search URL parameter ***. The first step is to determine the URL parameter used by your website's search function. This is the key to extracting the search term. Analyzing your URL structure ***. Start by performing a search on your website. Pay close attention to the URL that appears after you submit the search query. The search term will be part of the URL, usually after a question mark. The question mark indicates the start of the query string, which contains URL parameters. For instance, ***https://www.example.com/search, q equals blue plus shirts. ***https://www.example.com/results, search equals digital plus marketing. ***https://www.example.com/products, keyword equals running plus shoes. ***https://www.example.com/blog, s equals SEO plus tips. Common search parameters ***. Some common URL parameters used for search queries include ***q, short for query. ***search. ***keyword. ***s, often used by WordPress. ***query. ***term. Using your website's search functionality to find the parameter ***. 1. Go to your website. 2. Use the internal search bar. 3. Enter a search term, example new laptop. 4. Examine the URL in your browser's address bar. 5. Identify the parameter that holds the search term. In the example above, if the URL becomes https://www.example.com/search, q equals new plus laptop, the URL parameter you need is q. 3. Implementing search tracking with Google Tag Manager, recommended. Google Tag Manager, GTM, is the preferred method for implementing GA4 tracking because it allows you to manage tags without directly modifying your website's code. Creating a GA4 event tag ***. 1. Log into Google Tag Manager ***. Go to tagmanager.google.com. 2. Select your container ***. Choose the container associated with your website. 3. Create a new tag ***. Click Tags in the left-hand navigation, then click New. 4. Choose Tag Type ***. Click Tag Configuration and select Google Analytics, GA4 Event. 5. Configuration Tag ***. Select your GA4 configuration tag. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll need to do so. The configuration tag is what connects GTM to your GA4 property. It's usually set to fire on all pages. 6. Event name ***. Enter search as the event name. You can choose any name you prefer, but search is a common and descriptive choice. 7. Event parameters ***. This is where you'll send the search term to GA4. Click Add Row. Parameter name ***. Enter search _term. This is the name of the parameter that will store the search term. Value ***. This is where you'll dynamically extract the search term from the URL. Click the plus icon, or the Lego brick icon, to open the variable selection menu. Choose New Variable. 8. Variable configuration ***. Variable type ***. Select URL. Component type ***. Select query. Asterisk query key asterisk enter the URL parameter you identified earlier, example Q, search, keyword. This tells GTM which parameter to extract from the URL. Asterisk variable name asterisk give the variable a descriptive name, such as URL underscore parameter underscore search underscore term. Click Save. 9. Save the tag asterisk give your tag a descriptive name, example ga4 event, search, and click Save tag. Asterisk setting up a trigger based on the search parameter asterisk. Now, you need to tell GTM when to fire the search event tag. You'll do this by creating a trigger that fires when a user performs a search. 1. Click triggering in the tag configuration screen. 2. Choose a trigger type asterisk click the plus icon to create a new trigger. 3. Trigger type asterisk select page view. 4. This trigger fires on asterisk select some page views. 5. Condition asterisk create a condition that checks if the URL contains the search parameter. Asterisk choose built-in variable asterisk select page URL. Asterisk choose operator asterisk select contains. Asterisk enter value asterisk enter the part of the URL that remains the same after every search, before the search parameters. For example, https://www.example.com/search or https://www.example.com/results. If your search functionality doesn't have a dedicated page and stays on the same page, leave it as /. Alternatively, more robust method * create a custom event that listens for the search being triggered. This requires JavaScript on your site to push a custom event to the data layer when a search is performed. This is more accurate and less likely to break if URL structures change in the future. Example data layer push on search *. Then configure the trigger in GTM *. Trigger type * custom event. Event name * internal underscore search, the name you used in the data layer push. 6. Save the trigger * give your trigger a descriptive name, example page view, search page, and click Save Trigger. 7. Save the tag * the trigger is now linked to your search event tag. Save the tag again. Testing and debugging *. 1. Enter preview mode * click the preview button in the top right corner of GTM. This will open your website in a debug mode. To navigate to your website * go to your website in a separate browser tab. 3. Perform a search * use your website's search function. 4. Check the GTM debug console * the GTM debug console, at the bottom of your browser window, will show you the tags that fired on the page. 5. Verify the tag fired * confirm that your ga4 event, search tag fired. 6. Inspect the event parameters * click the tag in the debug console. Check that the search underscore term parameter is populated with the correct search term from the URL. 7. Troubleshooting * if the tag didn't fire or the parameters are incorrect, review your tag and trigger configurations for any errors. 8. Publish your changes * once you're confident that the tracking is working correctly, click the Submit button in the top right corner of GTM to publish your changes. Add a version name and description for clarity. 4. Implementing search tracking directly with tag, alternative. If you're not using Google Tag Manager, you can implement search tracking directly by modifying your website's code. This requires more technical expertise. Modifying your website code *. You need to add code to your website that captures the search term and sends it to ga4 as an event. The specific implementation will depend on how your website is built and how its search functionality is implemented. Dynamically extracting the search term *. You'll need to use JavaScript to extract the search term from the URL. Here's an example. Explanation asterisk. 1. Get search term, parameter name, function asterisk. This function takes the URL parameter name as input, example q, search, keyword. 2. New URL search params, window.location.search, asterisk. This creates a URL search params object that allows you to easily access URL parameters. 3. URL params.get, parameter name, asterisk. This retrieves the value of the specified parameter from the URL. 4. Conditional check, if, search term, ensures that the event is only sent if a search term is actually present. Asterisk. Sending the event to ga4 asterisk. The tag, event, search, search_term, search term, line sends the search event to ga4, along with the search_term parameter containing the extracted search query. Make sure you've already implemented the basic ga4 tracking code, the tag, snippet, on your website before adding this code. Important asterisk. Place this code within the script tags after the initial ga4 tag, snippet in your HTML, and before the closing /body tag. You need it to run after the DOM has loaded. All page elements are available. Asterisk. Testing and debugging asterisk. 1. Open your website's developer console asterisk in your browser, right-click on the page and select Inspect, or Inspect Element. Go to the Console tab. 2. Perform a search asterisk. Use your website's search function. 3. Check the Network tab asterisk in the developer console. Go to the Network tab. Filter the requests to show only ga4. You should see a request to collect, which is the ga4 endpoint. 4. Inspect the request asterisk. Click on the collect request. You should see the search event and the search_term parameter in the request payload. This confirms that the event is being sent to ga4. 5. Troubleshooting asterisk. If you don't see the event, double check your JavaScript code for errors, ensure the ga4 tracking code is correctly implemented, and verify that the search parameter name is correct. Look for any JavaScript errors in the console. 5. Configuring ga4 for search term reporting asterisk asterisk. After implementing the tracking code, you need to configure ga4 to properly recognize and report on the search_term parameter. Asterisk. Registering the search_term parameter as a custom dimension asterisk. ga4 needs to know that search_term is an important parameter that you want to analyze. You'll register it as a custom dimension. Custom dimensions allow you to analyze data based on parameters you collect in your events. 1. Go to Google Analytics. 4 asterisk. Go to analytics.google.com. 2. Select your property asterisk. Choose the ga4 property associated with your website. 3. Go to Configure asterisk. Click Admin in the bottom left navigation, then click Custom Definitions. 4. Create custom dimension asterisk. Click Create Custom Dimensions. 5. Dimension name asterisk. Enter a user-friendly name for the dimension, such as search term. 6. Scope asterisk. Select event. This is because the search term is associated with the search event. 7. Event parameter asterisk. Enter search_term, the exact name of the parameter you used in your tracking code. 8. Description asterisk. Add a description for your custom dimension, example the search term entered by the user. 9. Save asterisk. Click Save. Asterisk. Creating explorations for analysis asterisk. ga4's exploration feature allows you to create custom reports and analyses. You can use explorations to analyze your search data. 1. Go to Explore asterisk in the left-hand navigation, click Explore. 2. Choose a template asterisk. You can start with a blank exploration or use a template like Freeform. 3. Dimensions asterisk. In the Variables column, click the plus icon to add dimensions. Find your search term custom dimension and add it. Also, add other relevant dimensions like page path or device category. For metrics asterisk in the variables column, click the plus icon to add metrics. Add metrics like event count or total users. 5. Drag and drop asterisk drag the search term dimension to the rows section. 6. Drag and drop asterisk drag the event count metric to the values section. This will create a table showing the number of times each search term was used. You can then add filters, segments, and other dimensions to further refine your analysis. For example, you could filter the results to only show searches performed on mobile devices. Asterisk building reports in the GA4 interface asterisk. While explorations offer the most flexibility, you can also create simple reports directly in the GA4 interface. This involves customizing the existing reports or creating new ones. 1. Go to Reports asterisk in the left-hand navigation, click Reports. 2. Customize reports asterisk you can customize existing reports by adding your search term custom dimension as a secondary dimension or by creating filters based on search terms. 3. Create new reports asterisk GA4 allows you to create custom reports based on different templates. Choose the template that best suits your needs and add your search term dimension and relevant metrics. 6. Advanced considerations asterisk asterisk. Asterisk handling multiple search parameters asterisk. Some websites use multiple search parameters, or different parameters on different sections of the site. You may need to adapt your tracking code to handle these variations. You could add multiple conditions in your trigger within GTM, or create different URL variables to extract the search term from each parameter. Asterisk cleaning and processing search terms, optional. Raw search terms can contain misspellings, punctuation, and other noise. Consider cleaning and processing your search terms to improve the accuracy of your analysis. This can involve removing punctuation, converting to lowercase, and correcting common misspellings. This processing can be done within GTM using JavaScript variables or on the backend if the search is Ajax-driven. Asterisk best practices for search tracking asterisk. Asterisk be consistent asterisk use the same event name and parameter names across your entire website. Asterisk test thoroughly asterisk always test your tracking code before publishing it to your live website. Asterisk monitor your data asterisk regularly check your GA4 reports to ensure that your search tracking is working correctly. Asterisk analyze your data asterisk use your search data to identify content gaps, improve website navigation, and optimize your website for user needs. Asterisk dealing with privacy concerns asterisk. Asterisk anonymize data asterisk if your search terms contain personally identifiable information, PII, you must anonymize or remove it before sending the data to GA4. You can use JavaScript to redact or hash sensitive information. Asterisk obtain consent asterisk in some jurisdictions, you may need to obtain user consent before tracking their search activity. Make sure you comply with all applicable privacy regulations. Asterisk review your privacy policy asterisk update your website's privacy policy to inform users about your search tracking practices. Troubleshooting tips asterisk. Asterisk check your GA4 implementation asterisk make sure you've installed the GA4 base tracking snippet correctly on your site. Asterisk use the GTM preview mode asterisk the GTM preview mode is your best friend for debugging tag and trigger issues. Asterisk inspect the network tab asterisk examine the network requests to verify that the GA4 events are being sent and contain the correct data. Asterisk verify the event name and parameter name asterisk double check that you're using the correct event name, search in our example, and parameter name, search_term. Case sensitivity matters. Asterisk check for JavaScript errors asterisk look for any JavaScript errors in your browser's console. These errors can prevent your tracking code from working correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully implement internal site search tracking in GA4 and gain valuable insights into user behavior on your website. This data will empower you to make data-driven decisions that improve your website's effectiveness and user experience. Good luck! Adding internal search tracking to Google Analytics 4, GA4, with code examples. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on implementing internal search tracking in Google Analytics 4, GA4, allowing you to understand how users are searching on your website, the terms they use, and how effective your site search functionality is. This data is invaluable for optimizing your content, improving your search implementation, and ultimately enhancing user experience and conversions. Why track internal search? Understand user intent. Internal search queries reveal what information users are actively seeking on your site. This helps you identify gaps in content, unmet needs, and areas for improvement. Optimize content. Identify frequently searched terms related to specific products or services. If users are consistently searching for a particular topic, it might indicate a need for dedicated content or better organization. Improve search functionality. Analyze the results of search queries. Are users finding what they're looking for? Are there common no results queries? This can inform improvements to your search algorithm, indexing, and filters. Enhance user experience. By understanding the search behavior of your users, you can tailor your website to their needs, making it easier for them to find what they're looking for. This directly impacts user satisfaction and conversion rates. Drive conversions. Identifying high-intent search terms that lead to conversions allows you to optimize those search paths and landing pages to further increase conversion rates. Understanding GA4's built-in search tracking, enhanced measurement. GA4, by default, provides some automatic internal search tracking through its enhanced measurement feature. However, its capabilities are limited. Automatic detection. GA4 attempts to automatically detect search queries based on URL parameters, example q equals, s equals, search equals. Limited configuration. You can only specify a limited number of query parameters for GA4 to recognize. No customization. You can't customize the event name or add additional parameters beyond the search term. Why you need custom implementation. While enhanced measurement is a good starting point, a custom implementation gives you significantly more control and flexibility. Handle complex search parameters. If your search functionality uses unconventional query parameters or complex URL structures, enhanced measurement might not capture the data correctly. Customize event names. You can define a custom event name, example internal_search, for better clarity and organization in your GA4 reports. Add additional parameters. You can track additional data related to the search, such as search category. If your site has categorized search, you can track the selected category. Search results count. Number of results returned. This helps determine if the search yielded relevant content. Search filter. If the user applied any filters, track which filters were used. Search order. If the user sorts results, track the sorting order. Search type. If you have different search modes, example product search, blog post search, you can distinguish them. Improved data accuracy. A custom implementation ensures that all relevant search data is captured accurately and consistently. Step-by-step implementation guide. This guide outlines the steps required to implement custom internal search tracking in GA4, using either Google Tag Manager, GTM, or direct JavaScript implementation. 1. Identify your search query parameters ***. The first step is to identify the URL parameter, s, used to pass the search term. Examine the URL generated when you perform a search on your website. Common parameters include ***q, ***s, ***search, ***query, ***keyword, ***term. Your website might use a different parameter, or even multiple parameters. Example ***. If your search URL looks like this, https://www.example.com/search, query equals blue plus shoes and category equals clothing, the search query parameter is query. 2. Choose your implementation method, GTM or direct JavaScript ***. Google Tag Manager, GTM recommended for most users. GTM provides a user-friendly interface for managing tracking tags and events without directly modifying website code. It offers greater flexibility and control. Direct JavaScript suitable for websites where GTM is not used or where you require more direct control over the implementation. It requires editing your website's code directly. 3. Google Tag Manager, GTM, implementation ***. This is the recommended and more flexible approach. Create a data layer variable ***. This variable will extract the search term from the URL. 1. Go to Google Tag Manager, tagmanager.google.com, and select your container. 2. Click Variables in the left-hand navigation. 3. Under User-Defined Variables, click New. 4. Choose URL as the variable type. 5. Select Query Parameter as the component type. 6. Enter your query parameter name, example query, s, search, in the query key field. 7. Name the variable something descriptive, example DLV, search term. 8. Save the variable. B. Create a data layer variable for search category, optional. Repeat the above steps to create a variable for the search category parameter, if your site uses one. For example, if the URL is https://www.example.com/search, query equals blue plus shoes and category equals clothing, the query key would be category. Name the variable appropriately, example DLV, search category. C. Create a ga4 event tag ***. This tag will send the internal _search event to ga4 with the search term and any additional parameters. 1. Click Tags in the left-hand navigation. 2. Click New. 3. Choose Google Analytics, ga4 event as the tag type. 4. Select your ga4 configuration tag, created when you initially configured ga4 in GTM. If you haven't created one, create it now by providing your ga4 measurement ID. 5. Enter internal _search as the event name, this is the name you'll see in ga4 reports. 6. Click Event Parameters and add the following parameters ***. Parameter name **search _term. Value *DLV, search term, this is the variable you created in step A. Parameter name *search _category, only if you have a search category parameter. Value *DLV, search category, this is the variable you created in step B. Parameter name *search _results, optional, see below for how to populate this dynamically. Value *, leave blank for now, we'll populate it dynamically if possible. You can add other custom parameters as needed, example search _filter, search _order, search _type. D. Create a trigger *. This trigger determines when the ga4 event tag should fire. It should fire on pages where a search has been performed. 1. Click in the triggering section of the tag configuration. 2. Click the plus icon to create a new trigger. 3. Choose page view as the trigger type. 4. Select some page views. 5. Configure the trigger to fire when the page URL contains the search query parameter asterisk. Asterisk page path contains search, replace search, with the beginning of your search URL pattern if it's different. The is crucial to specify query string. 6. Name the trigger something descriptive, example trigger, internal search. 7. Save the trigger. Optional, dynamically populate search underscore results, number of search results. This is more advanced, but highly valuable. You'll need some JavaScript to count the number of search results displayed on the page. This requires understanding your website's HTML structure. 1. Create a custom JavaScript variable asterisk. Asterisk go to gtm-variables-user-defined variables-new. Asterisk choose custom JavaScript as the variable type. Asterisk paste the following code, adjusting the CSS selector to match the HTML element containing your search results asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk document.query selector all, .search result. This line uses query selector all to find all elements on the page that match the CSS selector .search result. You must replace .search result with the actual CSS selector that identifies your search result items. Use your browser's developer tools, right-click, inspect, to find the correct selector. It could be a class name, an ID, or a combination of selectors. For example, if each search result is wrapped in a div with the class search item, you would use .search item. If it's only within a lid equals results, you'd use results li. Asterisk search results.length, this returns the number of elements found by query selector all, which represents the number of search results. Asterisk try, catch, this is important for error handling. If the selector is incorrect or there are no search results, it will catch the error and return 0, preventing the script from crashing. Asterisk name the variable something like CJS, search results count. Asterisk save the variable. 2. Update the ga4 event tag asterisk. Asterisk go back to your ga4 event tag. Asterisk in the event parameters section, find the search underscore results parameter, you added it in step C. Asterisk replace the blank value with CJS, search results count, the custom JavaScript variable you just created. Test your implementation asterisk. 1. Click the preview button in GTM. This will open a debug window connected to your website. 2. Navigate to your website and perform a search. 3. In the GTM debug window, check that the internal underscore search tag fired. 4. Click on the tag to see the event parameters. Verify that search underscore term, search underscore category, if applicable, and search underscore results, if implemented, have the correct values. 5. If there are any errors, review your GTM configuration and the JavaScript code. Publish your changes asterisk. Once you've verified that the implementation is working correctly, click the Submit button in GTM and publish your changes to make them live on your website. 4. Direct JavaScript implementation asterisk asterisk. This method requires you to directly modify your website's code. Add JavaScript code to your website asterisk. Place the following JavaScript code within the head or body section of your website's pages, ideally in a common template file that's included on all pages. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk get parameter by name, URL, function asterisk. This function extracts the value of a query parameter from the URL. It's a standard utility function for this purpose. Asterisk send internal search event, function asterisk. Asterisk search term equals get parameter by name, query. This extracts the search term from the URL using the get parameter by name function. Replace query with the actual name of your search query parameter. Asterisk search category equals get parameter by name, category. This extracts the search category from the URL, if applicable. Replace category with the actual name of your search category parameter. Asterisk tag, event, internal underscore search. This is the core line of code. It sends the internal underscore search event to ga4 using the tag function. Asterisk search underscore term, search term, sends the search term as an event parameter. Asterisk search underscore category, search category n/a, sends the search category as an event parameter. If no category is found, it defaults to n/a. Asterisk search underscore results, you can add a search underscore results parameter here if you can dynamically calculate the number of search results. The logic would be similar to the custom JavaScript variable example in the GTM section, using document.querySelector all to count the results elements. Asterisk if, type of tag equals function. This is critical. It ensures that the tag function is defined, i.e., the ga4 script has loaded, before attempting to call it. If you try to call tag before the ga4 script is loaded, you'll get an error. The code now includes a fallback using setInterval to wait for tag to be available, which is more robust. B. Dynamically populate search underscore results, optional, number of search results. You'll need to add JavaScript code to calculate the number of search results displayed on the page and include it in the tag, event, call. The logic is the same as described in the GTM section, using document.querySelector all to count the results elements. See testing and debugging asterisk. 1. Open your browser's developer tools, right-click, inspect. 2. Go to the network tab. 3. Perform a search on your website. 4. Look for a request to collect or event. In the network tab, this is the request that sends data to ga4. 5. Examine the request parameters. You should see the event underscore name as internal underscore search and the search underscore term, search underscore category, if applicable, and search underscore results, if implemented, parameters with their respective values. 6. If you don't see the event or the parameters are incorrect, double-check your JavaScript code, the parameter names, and the CSS selector for search underscore results. If used, check for JavaScript errors in the console tab of the developer tools. 5. Configure ga4 for custom parameters, required for direct JavaScript implementation and highly recommended for GTM. For ga4 to properly report on your custom event parameters, like search underscore term, search underscore category, and search underscore results, you need to register them as custom dimensions. This is not required for enhanced measurements automatically collected search underscore term but is mandatory for parameters added via GTM or Direct.js. 1. Go to Google Analytics 4, analytics.google.com, and select your property. 2. Click Configure Custom Definitions in the left-hand navigation. 3. Click Create Custom Dimensions. 4. Configure each custom dimension asterisk. Asterisk event parameter asterisk enter the exact name of your event parameter, example search underscore term, search underscore category, search underscore results. Asterisk dimension name asterisk give the dimension a user-friendly name, example search term, search category, search results count. This is the name you'll see in your ga4 reports. Asterisk scope asterisk select event as the scope. Asterisk description asterisk add a brief description of the dimension. 5. Save the custom dimension. Repeat these steps for each custom event parameter you want to track. Important considerations for custom dimensions ***. Wait for data to process ***. It can take up to 24 to 48 hours for data to start appearing in your GA4 reports after you've created the custom dimensions. **GA4 limits ** GA4 has limits on the number of custom dimensions you can create. Consult the GA4 documentation for current limits. 6. Analyzing your data in GA4 ***. Once your implementation is complete and data has been collected, you can analyze your internal search data in GA4. Explorations * use the explorations feature to create custom reports and analyses. You can create a free-form exploration to see the most frequent search terms. Drag search term, your custom dimension, into the rows section and event count into the values section. Create a funnel exploration to analyze the user journey from search to conversion. Reports * create or customize existing reports to include your internal search data. You can add the search term dimension to reports like events or conversions to see how search queries correlate with other metrics. Filters * use filters to segment your data based on specific search terms or categories. Example GA4 analysis scenarios **. Identify popular searches with no results ** create an exploration report with search term and event count. Filter the report to include only internal _search events where search _results is 0. This helps you identify content gaps. Optimize landing pages based on search terms ** analyze the pages and screens report and add search term as a secondary dimension. This reveals which pages users are visiting after searching for specific terms, indicating areas where the landing page experience could be improved. Evaluate the effectiveness of search filters ** if you're tracking search filters, analyze the usage of different filters in conjunction with search terms. This helps you determine which filters are most helpful to users and which ones might be redundant or confusing. Segment conversions by search term * create a conversions report and add search term as a secondary dimension. This reveals which search queries are most likely to lead to conversions, allowing you to focus optimization efforts on those key search paths. Troubleshooting tips * verify the correct parameter names * double check that you're using the correct parameter names for your search query, category, and any other custom parameters. Inspect network requests * use your browser's developer tools to inspect the network requests sent to GA4. This helps you confirm that the events are being sent correctly and that the parameters have the expected values. Check for JavaScript errors * look for any JavaScript errors in the browser's console. Errors can prevent the tracking code from executing properly. Verify custom dimension configuration * make sure you've configured your custom dimensions correctly in GA4 and that the event parameter names match the names used in your GTM or JavaScript implementation. Check the GA4 debug view * the GA4 debug view, accessible from the admin section, provides real-time debugging information. It allows you to see events as they're being sent to GA4, helping you identify any issues. Clear browser cache * sometimes, browser cache can interfere with tracking. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Test in incognito mode * use your browser's incognito mode to eliminate any potential interference from browser extensions or cookies. Conclusion * Implementing internal search tracking in GA4 provides valuable insights into user behavior on your website. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can accurately track search queries, identify content gaps, improve your search functionality, and ultimately enhance the user experience, leading to increased engagement and conversions. Remember to test thoroughly and consistently monitor your data to ensure its accuracy and effectiveness. Regular analysis of your internal search data will provide a continuous feedback loop for improving your website.